Yeah, welcome back to another video from Akwala. This is 2026. It has been a while since I shot content. Welcome back to a new year, 2026. We'll be starting with our first cycle, I guess. So we're gonna be cleaning the mess of 2025 as we start a new year. So today's video, it's just a video where we're gonna be cleaning, showing you how we clean the chicken houses before we start with our cycle. So there's nothing much that I'm gonna share, but yeah, I just had an incredible December. We had nice sales, even though we have chickens that we didn't grow. We still have few that are left. I don't know how many, but yeah, I think we have like 30 or 27 that are left that didn't grow very nicely from our festive cycles that we did last year. We did like 600 for festive. So now I think I'm gonna do 100 for Jan, and then I'm gonna rest after that, and I'll come back. So this year I'm promising you a lot of content. Yeah, since my life was a mess last year, I was going through some personal stuff. I couldn't shoot content for a very long time, but I'm back. Let's get it rolling. Obviously, first thing, you're gonna take everything out of the chicken house when you're clean. Remember, always wear a mask, because I remember this lady was telling me that he didn't enjoy his festive season because he was cleaning the chicken house without a mask. So PE is very important, guys. We don't know what kind of diseases you're gonna start now. These ones, we're using them to put our drinkers, since we're not using those new modern drinkers that come with legs. We're using these bricks to put them. Now I'm done taking everything out. It's time now to put this chicken manure into our bags. I'm not sure who's going to wear the boots today, me or my cousin. So one of us will wear the boots. Para boots.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, you wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.